Hey, where are you flying to? Anyone, make a kind of noise!
Why are you so picky?
Just look how slow they are. I'm flying at the speed of light compared to them.
Should we go discuss more important matter?
What's more important matter? Aliens?
Shh! How do you know?
About what?
Aliens!
First thought. Why?
Guys, why are you whispering? Talking about aliens? Ha!
How would you know?
About what?
Aliens!
I didn't. Well, now everyone in the solar system will know it.
Got any proofs?
I saw some kind of dark silhouette this night and thought it was a UFO.
This is a proof for sure.
I've been looking at this one for a second week already. They invented hieroglyphics with a helicopter, plane and a boat 3000 years ago.
Then these are totally aliens.
Here's what I think. We should sleep and dream about UFO.
Good night, Earth.
Aha! Here they come!
What's the yelling about?
Aliens!
It's just a satellite, Earth. Go back to sleep.